Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a rainbow eye makeup look for you guys, and this look is going to be specifically for the eye makeup. So I am going to speed up the process we'll speed up the video when it comes to my face, because you guys see me do it 100 times. So I went in with my CoverGirl eye concealer under my eyebrows, and then I went into and then I went in with my Wet n Wild concealer in the color 807 on my eyelids, and that is the makeup stick, Mega Glow makeup stick, that's what it is. So now I'm going in with my 88 Neutrals palette. I totally forgot I even used this palette. And I'm going to use that orange right there, which you guys can see is my favorites. And then I'm going to continue to go in with 3 more colors of orange in my crease in my first edition 120 color eyeshadow palette. And they're both by BH Cosmetics. I put a little bit of product on and then I was building it up. It probably would have been easier to just spray my brush and just make it work that way, but you know, I'm a little slow, so I realized that when I got to green, which you will be seeing next. And here's the orange I was talking about. I used that orange and I went in later and used blended that one with the orange right next to it, which you will see here shortly. I was really indecisive of what I wanted to do with my eye makeup. I was going for a warm toned look. I'm all tongue tied. I'm not good at voiceovers or speaking. That's why I always play music, just so you guys know. But I was going to do a warm makeup look. And I'm just like, you know what? That's boring. Let me step outside my comfort zone a little bit. And that's how we got this rainbow makeup look, which I really fell in love with after I finally realized what I was doing. See? I don't know what I'm doing. Dropping the palette, all that. I'm out of it, guys. I'm just out of it. So here I am with the greens. I'm going to blend the two and put that on my eyelid. This is me debating if I even see anything and trying to figure out if y'all do. So this is why I, get smart and spray the brush. And I'm going to take two. This green, I don't think was really captured to its full greatness. I mean, one, I'm out of focus right now, but I'm going to fix that, I promise. But also, I just feel like it wasn't really captured. And it's just such a beautiful green color. Like, I fell in love with it as soon as I put it on my eye. Once I, use my spray to make it a little more pigmented. But it's just so gorgeous. I just fell in love with this overall look, you guys. I'm just gonna shut up. This is me blending. So I'm going to go in, which I did cut my crease. I don't know why I added that out, but I cut my crease with that same makeup stick concealer by Wet n Wild in the shade 809 this time. Is that right? Yeah. And At first I put green on top because, like I said, I did not know where this look was going because I was going for a warm tone and I changed my mind. So now I am using those 2 yellow shades that you just saw and putting that all over my crease, right underneath the orange but above the green, in case you can't see that, you know. And now I just went in with the purple. I didn't realize that my camera died, but didn't even mention the brushes I used, so I'm just gonna say them all right now. I used the Sigma, let me see, Sigma 38. I used the Sigma E57. I used the Sigma P88. And I also used a brush, I don't even know what it's called Crown Brush, what you will see when I do my blush. And for concealer, I don't even know what this brush is called. I had this brush for so long, it's just so faded. So this is my new face primer, which it feels so good on my face. It's by Hard Candy, and I could not wait to get my hands on Hard Candy, you guys. Even though it was just this little makeup stick, I don't care. I was just so excited because I love Hard Candy so much. But it is the Coconut Water Sheer Envy primer stick. It smells good, and it feels so good on your face. Like, you just feel instantly that cooling kicking in. So this is where I speed it up where I do my foundation, which I use the Sigma F82 brush for my foundation. And as I suck at this. For the foundation, I of course use my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I use the Dewy Plus Smooth in the color 330, which is toffee. For my concealer, I used LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Espresso. And then for my powder, I used Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 330, which is also toffee. And then for the setting powder, well, finishing powder, I used the medium tone of Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 25. I'm not sponsored by Maybelline, but basically everything I own is Maybelline except like palettes and brushes. So I'm concealing my face with the same concealer I used on my eyes from Wet n Wild, and this is the color 809. So I'm just going back in and blending all of those colors together. And now I am wiping the powder off of my face. I love concealer, you guys. Like, I think that's like one of my favorite face makeups. Not including my eyes because I need my mascara, which is Maybelline the Falsies Volume Express. And I also went in with the LA Colors Drama T Lash. Drama Tie Lash. I don't know where I actually got this one from. The LA Colors, I stole it from my mom, I think, because I thought it'd be really, really nice on the bottom lashes, so I took it. So now I'm going in with my Maybelline lip liner. And these two colors, they are LA Colors. and they are in the colors. The hot pink one is Sweet Lips, and the light pink nudish color is Let's Kiss, which I think those are really, really cute. Especially the names. I think the lips are the names are really, really cute. Just a disclaimer for these lips: when they dry, or as they're drying, as you see right here, I'm kind of, I don't know, patting my lips together. When this starts to dry, and when it's dry, do not, and I repeat, do not with your lips, because when I tell you your lips will get stuck together, it's real. I was gonna leave that in, but I'm like, I don't want anyone thinking I'm bashing the lip products. I mean, I don't really expect more, I guess, because I did get them from the dollar store for like, I don't know, $2. And then the blush is from Forever 21, which is the blush palette I always use. And I go in with my Carly Bible Deluxe palette, and I use the highlighters. I use the white highlight, and then I use the lightest goldish brown one. And please excuse me highlighting my hairline, okay? I never highlight above my brow before, but it looks so good on Instagram when people do it, so I'm like, let me try it, and total fail. So I thought that was a little too much off camera, so I kind of blended it in with that goldy brown copperish highlight that you're going to see. So I kind of think I took it away once I blended it in, but my nose was still popping, so that's all that mattered. And here we are finally to the end. Hallelujah. I get so nervous talking. But this is the final makeup look. I really, really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you do thumbs up and subscribe and leave a little comment. I know this voiceover sucked and I'm sorry, but I hope you like the makeup look. You guys have a good one. Bye bye.